Hello everybody, RV living with the geezer. And we had a big old dust storm up here the other day, and if you see this camera shaking, it's because its trailer is rocking. And I'm not going to open the door and go outside. I may brave it in a minute. I just don't want the door getting ripped off when I open it up. But I mean, that wind is really blowing right now. You can see that tree right there. Got some black clouds up above. I mean, this came out of nowhere too. That's the way these storms do out here. Yeah, there's no way I'd open my door right now. It'd probably rip it off, and then I'd really be up the creek, sitting in here without a door on the trailer. That wouldn't be too cool tonight. But we sure need some rain anyway. So yeah, it looked pretty wicked up there. That dust, it was really blowing a while ago, and of course by the time I turned the camera on, you know, the slows down a little bit. But I mean, I can still feel the trailer's still rocking pretty good. But yeah, sun shining out there and everything, and that's the way it does out here in West Texas. It just comes in, you know. Let's see here. Maybe if I hang on, heck, you only live once. Let's try this. If I hang on to this door. Oh yeah. Oh heck, I think it's already passed through. It's actually raining a little bit. How about that? We got some rain going, guys. Boy, your wind chimes are going good over there. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I'll tell you what, guys. I'm going to go. I'm going to get this door shut. Bye-bye. That almost took my arm off. Talk to you later. Bye.